Feeling a little nutty? Let's have a haul. Alright, so for today's haul we have Michael's, Dollar General, and Five Below. Let's see what kind of fun things I found. We'll start with Dollar General, and couldn't help but to pick these up. They were $8 a piece. They're sweatshirts. They are adorable. We can figure out how to get them off of there. In my spooky era. So I got that. And I also picked up the one for fall. Again, $8. Pumpkin spice season. So that'll be fun. Feels like it's a little oversized, but that's fine. We like oversized items these days. Oh. So I got that, and then I picked up, because I couldn't remember if I had gotten this one, but I picked up the cat canvas, and I got 2 of them. So I can put one in the goodie box for my 1K giveaway, and one I can do. Total there was $6. Alright, because I had gotten one other thing, but I gave it as a gift, so that one's gone. The sweatshirts, I think, are part of another haul. Oh, we don't know. Alright, then we have Michael's. And at Michael's, for $1, I got this precious bag because it reminds me of a bag I had in the 70s. I feel like mine was lime green. And it was round. And yeah. Got that. I got these for $2 because this is an excellent find. So I got these 2 and these 2, and these will go into the boo baskets that I do for the girls for Halloween. My friends at work. Then I saw Planner Time with Michael. Is that what his name is? I'm sorry if I got that wrong. These were originally $4.99, and I got it for, I think, $2. But it has a journal, 40 blank sheets, a bookmark, stickers, washi tape rolls, die cuts, everything you would need to make a journal. And that's adorable, and I needed it, so we got it. I got this because it was less than the dollar store. It was only $1, and it's just one of those little crates that you can fold out into a box. That's the only reason I got it. We don't know what we use it for. I got these because I love these, and I got every single pattern that I could find. These were $1, and they're just those paper clips that are shapes. They'll be perfect for my junk journals, perfect for my planners. Maybe we'll give one of these away, or at least include some in the giveaway. Super fun. Those were $1 each. I got 4 of these, one for each of the girls at work. They were $1 each, and they're just fun, sparkly pencils or pens. Can't remember what I got this for, but it was $1, so there's 6 of them. I guess I had the intentions of putting one in each of the girls' baskets, maybe giving y'all one, and I'll keep one. But they were $1 each. Whenever I find something that's $1 or less, I don't care if I need it or not, I'm picking it up. Because times are hard, okay? And I may not be able to eat, but I'll have plenty to craft with. That is fantastic. I feel like I have something else. All right. Last thing from Michael's. 4th of July was on clearance, so they had one of these left. It was originally $26.99. It was 70% off of whatever 7 times 27 is. Take minus that number from the $26.99, and that's how much you paid for it. Okay, great. My son's the math guy, not me. But, you know, I love 4th of July. I love flag pattern, anything and everything. I picked up these so that I can make sure to have plenty with the various color inks that I have. So when I'm distressing, I got some Rusty Hinge Distress Oxide. I got this and the foam blenders. It was buy one get one half off, so that was a good deal. These were still in a box on the floor, and I picked them right on up, went through the box, got what I wanted, and I'm so excited. This is PET or PET tape, $5.99. It is not named, but it's just spiders and spider webs. Impossible to see them, quite sure. And then I got this washi tape. Adorable. Cannot wait to use it in my Halloween spread. So I knew I had to pick these up immediately because once they go out, they're gone. I went down the clearance aisle. See how much this trip was. $55.17, but we paid $1, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $1, $2, $1, $4, $6. I don't think that was marked right. $8.10. Is this my receipt? Because I don't think it is. We're going to have to look at that closer, because this is marked $3, and it is a 12 by 12 Autumn Dream. And I picked, oh, that's what they did. They rang up 2 for $6 because I got 2 of them. Because if I like it, what do? I buy 2. So we'll have a flip through of that at the end. And the last bag is from Five Below. I had a birthday party for a family member, and so I bought a bunch of fun stuff for her that isn't in this bag, but my total at Five Below was $36.04. All right. I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I have a favorite band. And my favorite band, it has not been sized. It's a hat, and it's got the perfect stuff, so I can size it. That is my favorite band of all time. Love me some Skinner now. So yeah, I bought that and paid like $7 or something for it and did not care. Because have I ever seen a Leonard Skinner shirt with the in the cart? I mean, look, I don't even know what to say about this purchase. They were limited edition, so I had to. Candy apple, caramel cupcake, and pumpkin spice latte for $7. Okay, great. It's a little obsessive. This I'm excited about. This I'm so excited about. Y'all need to run to Five Below right now and pick this up. $5. It's a little ghost, but he's a picture. He's got his here and his spout here, and yes, he was, we don't know, we just put him in the basket, we didn't care. He was $5. $5. Run and get you some. Alright, that's it. Short and sweet. Let's go and take a look at the paper pad. Alright, so let's go through this paper pad. I guess this was from last year. Wait a minute, let's see if it has a date on it. 2024, yeah. Can you see that? 2024. Alright. It has a lot of the foil in it, which I love. So you have looks like two pieces of each. Nice thick cardstock. Love that. Beautiful. Very rustic. This is what I love in the summer and the fall when you have trees that just line a drive that you're taking or a walk that you're making, and it's just beautiful, filled with lush green all the far as the eye can see, or all these fabulous colors. It's my favorite part. You'll notice that when I do driving videos, I do a lot of them with the trees lining the road because I just think it's so beautiful. Little mushrooms. Mountains like we have in the western part of our state. Lots of old moldy leaves. Pumpkins. Low-lying fog. Granny quilts. Granny square quilt. See, love, 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 love. Beautiful. Don't like the cold, but love the colors.
No.
Oh,
Forget it.
Oh, excuse me. He's getting a mind of his own. Do you like the cold, Mr. No?
No way.
Okay, I didn't think so. Beautiful. Crunchy. Warm and cozy. That's pretty. Woody. Woody. With the foil. I want to take my son to a pumpkin patch this year. He probably doesn't care at 24, but that's just, you know, you gotta. Leaves. Oh, that's right up my alley. Just a little nutty. And that's it. So yeah, I'll have a lot of fun with these, probably making Happy Planner covers and dividers and using it in junk journals, all of that. So if you have a Michaels near you, definitely check out their clearance aisle because they've got some great paper pads in there. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And don't forget to tell me where you live, what state or country you live in the comments below so that I can add you to our map. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.